16 hours, that has become totally unbearable for the laborers in Faisalabad. Thousands of laborers have been rendered jobless due to this electricity load shedding, and as a result of this, these laborers in the form of rallies are gathering here to register their protest against FESCO, the department and the government. They are saying that both the government and FESCO are held responsible for the ruin of loom industry here in Faisalabad. And not only that, the sudden and unexpected increase in petroleum prices have also added to their problems. Shahriyar, I want to tell you that these laborers are in a very critical situation because at present, due to this unemployment, they are unable to keep their body and soul together. So all these laborers in thousands, they are daily wages in fact. They are paid according to the production of cloth in these loom factories. But now when the load shedding is there, these laborers, they stay outside the factories because the factories are locked. As a result of it, they are unable to earn even a single penny. And they are saying that they are forced to do the street crime as a result of this unemployment. And not only that, the sudden increase in utility bills is another problem which the laborers are facing here. They are saying previously they have to pay only 2,000 to 3,000 electricity bills per month, but that has increased up to 13,000. Many a time these laborers tore the bills, burned them to ashes, and even they are determined not to pay the bill. But the government stay adamant and seems to have a turned ear deaf to the genuine problems of these laborers. Yes, Shahriyar.
Now, Ijaz, I know the situation is intense in Faisalabad, but have you heard any assurances from FESCO regarding the outages that these people are facing, and any assurances regarding that these outages will decrease? Because we know that they will not end anytime soon, but any comments coming in from the officials as to the decrease in these load shedding hours?
Shahriyar, here in Faisalabad, the FESCO authorities stay silent all the time. They say that only the focal person of PEPCO can do that. And when contacted, PEPCO said that they have to pay. It is known through a reliable resource. They have to pay more than 100 billion rupees to gas companies and PSO. And PSO has stopped supplying the furnace oil. And very little amount had been paid to them. And it is hoped that in the next coming 2 or 3 days, the restoration of electricity would be possible. But as far as FESCO is concerned, that is completely silent. They say that the electricity load shedding is not being conducted and handled by them locally. It is being conducted by the central authority in Islamabad. Yes, Shahriyar.
Right now, Ijaz, you know Faisalabad is the hub, textile hub of the country. If you can, could you give us a ballpark figure of how much the industries and businesses have suffered financially due to this electricity crisis?
Yes, Shahriyar, this is Faisalabad. Faisalabad is the hub, and it is called the Manchester of Pakistan, where the 60% production in industry is being made here. But during the last 2 or 3 years, industry in Faisalabad is facing a serious problem due to electricity and gas load shedding. And presently, this electricity load shedding has increased at an alarming situation. The situation has become very much critical because the industry in Faisalabad has started being shifted to the other countries like Bangladesh, Sri Lanka and even Malaysia. And the industrialists, they have lost their hope in the government, and they are saying that the government doesn't seem to be serious in tackling the problem of electricity load shedding. And as a result of it, thousands of laborers in Faisalabad, they are just moving here like straying cats because they are jobless, they are involved in certain type of street crimes. So Faisalabad, which was previously known as the hub of industry, now it has become almost a deserted place just due to this electricity load shedding and gas load shedding. Yes, Shahriyar.
Ijaz, I see you have a lot of people standing behind you. Could you talk to some of them and get their opinion on how they're feeling about the energy crisis that has hit Faisalabad so hard?
Yes, Shahriyar, I have a lot of people who are protesting here. Let's talk to them. आप बात सुनिए ज़रा. ये आप भी यहाँ पे फैक्ट्रीज में काम करते हैं फैसलाबाद में, तो फैक्ट्रीज में काम करते हैं. यस, आप भी फैक्ट्रीज में, आप ज़रा इधर आ जाइए. फैक्ट्रीज में काम करते हैं. ये लोड शेडिंग कितनी देर के लिए हो रही है और क्या मसाइल हैं जिनका?
रात को तो तकरीबन 6-7 घंटे हो जाती है.
जी जी.
तो
एक घंटा लाइट आती है जी, 8-8 घंटे लाइट जाती है. 8-8 घंटे तो बाद फिर 1 घंटे वास्ते आती है, फिर 4-5 घंटे वास्ते बंद हो जाती है। हालात इतने खराब ने कि कार खान नूं किसी कोल नहीं है, पानी वगैरह नहीं हैगा, हर चीज़ यानी कि जेड़ा खराब होया पिया काम, टोटली फ्लॉप होया पिया काम फैसलाबाद का।
फैक्ट्रीज फैसलाबाद में कितनी देर के लिए बंद रहती हैं? क्या वो वहाँ पे
फैक्ट्री में ना तो लाइट है, मजदूर को वो जितना वो देर काम करता है उतनी पे दे देते हैं बस। वो अगर वो 8 घंटे का काम करता है तो 4 घंटे काम होता है, 4 घंटे बंद है, 4 घंटे की पे दे देते हैं।
Shahriyar, you listen that the people who is complaining, he is a laborer and he is saying that he is working on contract basis and they are paid according to the hours they work, and when electricity load shedding will be there, they will not be entertained in the factories and they are now empty pocketed, and that's why they are complaining and protesting against the government. Yes, Shahriyar.
Right, Ijaz, thank you very much for those updates. Our correspondent from Faisalabad, Ijaz Alvi, giving us the latest. He also talked